Want to make your Samsung phone feel a lot faster? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple setting that can speed up your phone in just a few seconds. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Now scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. After that, tap on Software Information. Here, find the build number option and tap on it around 7 to 10 times quickly. If your phone asks for your PIN or password, enter it to continue. Once done, go back to the main settings page. Now scroll down and you'll see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it. Next, scroll down until you find the Drawing section. Here you'll see Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Tap on each one and set them to 0.5x to make your phone feel faster. You can also turn them off completely if you want even quicker animations. And that's it. Your Samsung phone should now feel much smoother and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.